work on this shoulder a little bit more today with the activator. Okay, put your hand on your lower back. Good. Okay, now face down. All right, lay on your left side. There we go. Okay.
Thank you.
See you.